Everyone online argues about what AI can do, but Anthropic just published something way more interesting. What people actually do with AI in real life when nobody is watching. And the results don't match the internet story, because most people think AI is used for memes, cheating homework, and generating weird images. But this report tracks real usage patterns from Claude, and the #1 use case is not what most people expect. And by the end of this video, you'll know 4 things. 1. The top 5 things people really use AI for. 2. The part of the world using AI the most, and what they're using it for. 3. The hidden trend that proves the agent era is already starting. And 4. How you can copy the winning behavior today, even if you're not a tech person. Because the shocking truth is, AI isn't replacing your life overnight. It's quietly becoming a productivity weapon. Let's break it down. Why this report matters. This is called the Anthropic Economic Index. It's basically a scoreboard for AI adoption, tracking which tasks people use AI for, and how that use is changing over time. And this part matters. It's based on millions of anonymized Claude conversations, analyzed in a privacy-preserving way, then mapped to real job tasks. So instead of guessing AI will change the world, we can finally see the early shape of it. Now here's something important. In a minute, I'm going to reveal the most surprising mismatch between what people say AI is for and what they actually use it for. But first, we need the top 5. Part 1. The top 5 countdown setup. All right, countdown time. These are the top 5 real-world AI use cases, based on the patterns Anthropic found. And number 1 is the one people don't want to admit is dominating. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Learning plus tutoring. Number 5. Learning. People use AI like an always available tutor, explaining concepts, breaking down problems, making study plans. And here's what's interesting. In lower income regions, educational use shows up even more, because it's the most accessible and immediate benefit. Number 4. Writing plus rewriting. Number 4. Writing. Not just creative writing. More like emails, summaries, rewrite this, make it clearer, make it shorter, make it sound professional. This is one of the biggest silent uses because it doesn't look like AI magic. It looks like someone who suddenly got faster. Number 3. Admin plus office workflow. Number 3. Office workflow. That means turning chaos into order. Meeting notes to action items, messages to clean responses, documents to structured plans. This is where AI becomes less wow and more, why didn't we have this earlier? Number 2. Analysis plus decision support. Number 2. Analysis. People use AI to compare options, check logic, stress test decisions, and summarize information into something usable. It's basically, help me think faster. And this is one reason AI gets adopted so fast. It reduces overwhelm. And number 1. The biggest real-world AI use case is technical work, especially software and coding-related tasks. And yes, that's the shocking part for a lot of people, because the internet talks like AI is mostly art, but the data points to AI being a work tool first. Now, right after this, I'm going to show you where AI is being used the most on Earth, and the regional patterns are wild. Part 2. Geography shock. The world map reveal. Here comes the geography part, and this is where it gets spicy. Anthropic's data shows AI usage is not evenly distributed. It's geographically concentrated, with high-income countries overrepresented in usage relative to population. And what's even more interesting is how different places use it. For example, Brazil stands out as a hub for legal-related AI use. Indonesia shows heavy usage for education and coursework. So this isn't just AI adoption. It's different cultures turning AI into different tools. And here's why that matters. The winners in the AI era won't just be whoever has the best models. The winners will be the places and people who learn how to use AI effectively. Mini reset. So now we know 2 things. AI is used heavily for work, and AI adoption is uneven. Now the next question is AI mostly helping people or replacing the work? That's where the report gets really interesting. Part 3. The twist. Augment versus automate. The split Anthropic tracks two modes of AI usage. Augmentation. AI supports a human, like a co-pilot. Automation. AI completes the task with minimal back and forth. So yes, AI is helping people. But a massive portion of the time, people are delegating. And now we hit the trend line that proves the agent era is starting. The trend line that changes everything. Anthropic tracked directive conversations, where users basically say, here's the task, do it. And those directive conversations jumped from 27% to 39% over time. That's not a small change, that's a behavioral shift. It means people are becoming comfortable giving AI real responsibility. And that is exactly how agents become normal. Because the agent era doesn't begin when the model gets smarter, it begins when humans start trusting it with full outcomes. Part 4. The job reality check. Myth bust. AI is replacing all jobs. Now, this is where we kill the biggest myth. The report doesn't say, every job is fully automatable tomorrow. It shows something way more realistic and more useful. Over 1/3 of occupations show AI used in at least a quarter of their tasks, but only a small portion of occupations use AI across most of their tasks. That's the truth. Most jobs aren't being fully replaced, but a lot of jobs are being quietly reshaped in slices, and slices add up. What this means. So what does this mean in plain English? It means AI work impact is happening like this, not a giant explosion, more like a slow takeover of the parts of work that are repetitive, annoying, and language-based. And it starts with the people who learn how to use it like a tool, not a toy. So now the important question becomes, what are the winners doing differently? Because if you copy the winning behavior, you get the upside immediately. And this is the part of the video you can use today. Here are 3 winning behaviors of top AI users. First, use AI for drafting. It writes the first version. Humans improve it. Second, use AI for compression, chaos into summaries. Third, for delegation, multi-step tasks to clear output. Now the exact prompt style that works. Prompt like a manager, not a casual user, for top results. That shift turns AI from chatting to producing. Anthropic's data. Most people aren't using AI for magic. They use it as a work multiplier, writing, coding, analyzing, summarizing, delegating. Trend. More autonomy, full AI tasks. Do you use AI as a thinking partner or task machine? Subscribe for weekly AI news, tools, breakthroughs. See you next.